MBA-Exchange.com is a comprehensive careers platform for business professionals seeking mid-career to senior management roles. We have an extensive database of MBA-level development and leadership programs from employers around the world, covering both full-time and internship positions. You can easily find the programs that match your profile and preferences by using our multiple search criteria, such as location, focus area, or program level. You can also use the advanced search for filtering by industry, employer, and years of experience, as well as application status. After you search, you can see how many programs match your criteria on the left. Each program has a tag that shows its focus area, so you can easily identify ones of interest. To view the full program details, click on the program name or the company logo. You can also save any program to your favorites by clicking the star in the top right corner. On the program page, you will see the program's type, focus area, target candidates, and duration, followed by the program description and application information. In the right column, you can see the other development programs currently on offer, as well as some key facts about the company. You can apply to the program by clicking on Apply in the top right. If the program is closed for application, add it to your favorites, and we will notify you when it opens up again.